Hi guys, it is week 3 of our road trip and we are continuing our Israelite journey to the Red Sea. So this week we're going to be focused on when the Israelites finally leave the land of Egypt and they start on their journey, and then Pharaoh has a change of heart and they begin chasing them and they get to the Red Sea. So we're going to be concentrating all on that and how Moses performed the miracle with God of the parting of the Red Sea. So for your small group activity, each child's going to get a bag, and you're going to have blue hair gel. And I apologize, I didn't actually bring the tube right here, but you're going to put it into the bags about this much. So each tube of gel will be for 5 kids. So you'll just kind of eyeball it a little bit. It's okay if it's not exactly the same in each one, but this like fills up the corner of the bag. And then you'll talk about what it might have been like when the Israelites got there, and you can have the kids at that point like kind of flatten it out so it goes across the whole bag, and just talk about how they might have felt like, was God sure that this was the right plan for them? They might have felt overwhelmed, scared as the army was approaching them. And then you can go on and on about that for a little bit, and then each child's going to get a tiny cup like this. They're pretty small, filled with beads, and so have them take the gel in their bag and actually split it in half. I'll show you what that would look like. So you can see there's more on the sides, and then obviously it would be better if I was doing this flat, but it's too hard to see. And you can dump the people into the middle there. It's easier when it's flat. And then kind of work their way through the middle of that water. And it's just a sensory thing that the kids can play with, and just the beads represent the Israelites. And then you can talk about how God provided this miracle for all of these people, the thousands and thousands of Israelites, to walk through, and what that might have felt like as they were walking along the water, as the walls were standing up of water, and how God totally provided for them when there didn't seem like there was a way. And then you can bring into the conversation, have you ever felt like you were up against something that just felt like you didn't know how God was going to make a way, or talk about their families or different things, and about how God can still provide a way even when it doesn't seem like there's a way. So I hope you have a great conversation with that. There's also discussion questions and some other conversations that'll be on your small group sheet attached. So make sure you check those out and come prepared for small groups. And I know it's 4th of July weekend, so there are several of you that have already let me know on the Google Doc that you will be gone. If you are going to be gone and you haven't let me know, can you please sign up on the Google Sheet? I'll include the attachment again in the team email so that you make sure that you have it. But I hope you have a wonderful weekend, wonderful time celebrating our country and all the things and the freedoms that we have here, and most importantly the freedom to worship together. So I hope to see many of you this weekend. Let me know if you have any thoughts or questions. Have a great day.